창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트. 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
아파트 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 Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me at
just meet me at the just meet me at the
Hey gang, I hope you enjoyed that flow session to what I have to say is probably one of my favorite bangers I've heard in a very, very long time. That song is an absolute bop. Anywho, if you are interested in getting a set of those Pop'N Flow Poi that I was using in this video, you can do so and get a discount when you use the promo code DrexFactor 112024 at checkout over at flowtoys.com. Once again, that is DrexFactor 112024. That gets you 10% off the prop of your choice. So go check that out, and Flowtoys, thank you so very much for sponsoring this video and giving me an excuse to go out and get my groove on and play around with some cool trails. I also have to just put out a big thank you to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flowfests, Flowtoys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and Ultra Poi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all of these amazing companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I have down in the description of this video. And special thanks to the non-business friend of the channel, Pekha Pekkonen. Thank you so very much for supporting my channel, my work, and my mission. Finally, this video and all the videos on my channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you all so much, you all rock. And if you enjoy the content that I create and you'd like to see more of it, the best way to make that happen is to go check out my Patreon and sign up at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi. There you can get access to a whole host of awesome rewards, but better than that, you'll be helping me out in my mission to bring poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world. So, go check that out, please and thank you. If you'd like to check out more of these flow sessions that I've done over the years, I will go ahead and leave a link to a playlist of those videos down in the description as well as up on screen. But for right now, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to get out and flow yourself today, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Take care now. Peace.